it. I was like, I just put them
Even if it's in a place where they just live out the rest of their lives.
You gotta find a place that can support them and feed them, and that was the whole thing. A lot of things sound great in theory,